Hi there! Welcome to my first YouTube video. I am going to color my hair bleach blonde to, I don't know, it's like a burgundy, mahogany, I don't know, red color. And so I have the stuff. I'm going to show you what I got. Let me turn this thing around. I don't know how to do computers. I look like an idiot right now. Okay, so I just dried the protein filler in my hair with a hair dryer, and now I'm going to mix up the color and put that in my hair. Not gonna lie, this color is pretty scary looking, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know, I'm feeling pretty sexy. Okay, we're getting there, and it looks like it's getting darker, and I'm loving the color. Yeah, I always have hairdressers do my hair and they never seem to do it the way I like it, so I decided to try doing my own hair for once. So we'll see how it turns out, and I'll see if I've been wasting all that money for years. Maybe I missed my calling. I'm very messy though. Alright, we'll see. Okay, so I'm getting towards the end and I'm starting to get, I just want this over, so just trying to go through it fast. And as you can see, I mean, this piece looks like it's done, but when you pull the pieces apart, there's actually some blonde right there. So you want to make sure that you are absolutely getting all of your hair. And I'm actually using my gloves as a way to spread it in my hair too, other than that brush. But yeah, you want to make sure you paint every single strand, otherwise it's gonna look yucky. Okay, so I got the color and I love it. I'm so excited. So here it is. Didn't it turn out really good? I love this color. I'm so glad that I made this choice to do this. My hair feels so much more healthy. Anyways, I'll leave in the comments what I used. Went from bleach blonde to whatever color this is. But I like it. It's so pretty. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.